Good day, everybody. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to install VMware Fusion on Mac. If you go to your favorite search engine, I'll just type VMware Fusion download. So click on the first link. It will open. Once you get here, we are currently on VMware Fusion 13. So we have for business, which is Pro, you can see the Pro, and for personal use, which is free. So I will click on the personal use. So if you get to personal use, two things, you have to register. You click on free use with personal license. So you click on this, it will take you to another new page. First step, you need to have an account with them. Either you create an account. If you click on the create an account, you just fill out the form, you register. After filling out the forms, just answer these basic questions and agree, then you log in. But for me, I'm already registered, so I will go back to for personal use. For me, I will just click on I have an account. When I click on I have an account, it will ask me to log in. Because I'm already registered, I will enter my email address and my password. Then I will log in. So from here, I have two things. It shows me my personal key and it shows me and I can manually download. So once I click this, it will download. Once I click manually download, so as I've done now, it will manually download and I will have the file in, I'll go to my download folder. So I'll look for my VMware. This is it. It has been downloaded. So the simplest way to install it is just double click VMware Universal Fusion. I'll just double click so you can see it's launching. So you just double click on this icon here. It will ask for your password. Just allow it to run. You accept the license agreement. Of course, you have to agree. And you will need your license. So we'll go back to my browser and I'll copy my license. My personal license, I'll copy it and I will paste it there. So thank you, VMware is installed. Just grant all those normal rights and whatever, so that your VMware will work normal. Okay, we are done with installation. We can continue, and that is all. We are done with the installation. So let me close it. That means to complete this. So we are done with the installation. What I can do now is that I can quit completely so that we start afresh. Let me go to let me open and check what we have installed. It comes here. Install macOS from recovery, import existing, install bootcamp, create a custom virtual machine. So this is where we come to the end. If I want to create a virtual machine now, I'll just click next and we'll move on from there. But for this session, I want it to be very short. This is how you install VMware Fusion on your Mac. So our next tutorial will be on how to install other operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux on this VMware. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your following. Thanks.